All right, at number 59, what I want you to recognize is that this pattern is one that we recognize as a perfect square that always equals this. And my son's going to comment on this video. So once you see that, I'd like for you to just pause the video and see if you can figure out what's your A, what's your B, and then check and see, is this really like 2AB? Give that a try. Why don't you pause the video real quick? Okay, well, hopefully you tried it, and now you can see that, you know what, this right here is really like 4x squared. This right here is really like 9y squared. And this is really like 2 times 4x squared times 9y squared. And once you see that, you can see that it does fit this pattern, so you could factor it pretty easily. So just to recap, right? 2 times 4 is 8, 8 times 9 is 72, then you have an x squared and a y squared. So it does fit this pattern perfectly, so we could just write it like this. Okay, but it does say factor completely, so if we can keep going, we need to. And we notice that inside the parentheses, this is a different factor, or a different factoring pattern. So I'll show you this one. You may remember, if we have this, it equals this. And so now you have a new A and a new B, and you could figure out what's your new A and your new B. And so you could say, well, my new A would be whatever this is, whatever I'd have to square to get to here. Well, that'd be 2x. What I have to square to get here is 3y. So this whole thing can now be written as 2x plus 3y times 2x minus 3y. But remember, this was already inside parentheses being squared, so you'd have to have some big parentheses out here and then square it. So that would be the answer if it factored completely. All right, see you guys in the next one.